Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be making Southern style baked beans. Short and sweet and easy recipe that I know you're going to love. Stay tuned. So guys, this recipe only calls for a few ingredients. Of course, baked beans, and I like Bush's baked beans. This is brown sugar hickory, pretty good. And then you're going to need a red, orange, yellow, and green bell pepper, and a yellow onion. And then you can use light or dark brown sugar, low barbecue sauce, maple syrup, and yellow mustard. And then if you can find these, grab the hot and spicy beef links. These are really good. But if you can't, just grab some beef sausage and you're good to go. So first we're going to remove the seeds from these bell peppers. You don't want any seeds in it. And then we'll cut them julienne style. And for the onion, you can just cut these into square pieces. Doesn't really matter how you cut them. And the beef hot links. Cut these into any type of slices you want, doesn't matter. And then we'll take the peppers, the yellow onion, and the hot and spicy beef links and saute that in a little vegetable oil. And you only need to saute them for about 3 or 4 minutes because they're gonna finish cooking in the oven. All right guys, we got everything all prepped. We are ready to put everything in our casserole dish. So we'll pour this first can of baked beans into the casserole dish, and then we'll sprinkle, and I'll put all of the rest of the ingredients at the end of the video, but we're just gonna give a light sprinkle of the brown sugar, a couple drizzles of the mustard, the syrup, and the barbecue sauce right over the top of the beans. And then we'll pour in the second can of beans and repeat. Pour in the sugar, barbecue sauce, the syrup, and the mustard. Real light drizzle. And then we'll add our peppers, sausage, and onions, and we'll mix that in real good. We're gonna bake this in the oven, 375 degrees for 45 minutes covered. And then we'll take it out, uncover it, and then we'll bake it an additional 30 minutes. So guys, that is it. Short, sweet recipe. I know you guys are going to love these Southern style baked beans. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be shy, give your girl a like, and come visit me next Tuesday. Peace.